agree with you. We are not friendly to ZANU-PF. I don't agree with you that we are vicious to the siblings. We are just doing what we can as a party. So if you tell us that we are being dilly-dallying to ZANU-PF, that's a proper lie, that's propaganda. And that propaganda is even reached to you as journalists. You are now taking that propaganda and you are now taking it to the people, lying that we are dilly-dallying with ZANU-PF. We are not even in partnership with ZANU-PF. We have never ever persuaded ZANU-PF to do anything with us. You know what? The thing is, we are very clear. We have said we are now dealing with the politics of rational disputation. If we mean rational disputation, we are meaning dialoguing. And if you don't want to dialogue with me, do you want me to come and force you day in, day out? Please come. Let's talk about Zimbabwean issues. If you don't want to talk to me, there is no bad blood between MDC Alliance and CCC. We are siblings. We continue to be siblings. Thank you.
Thank you.